Honey, I'm leaving to my work now, okay? I will come back as usual at about 4 p.m.
Oh, okay, so you won't have another meeting after work as usual.
What? No, well, it sometimes happens, but I don't think it happens today.
Well, and you won't have problem with the car this time, will you?
I don't think so. I already fixed the car, so I don't think I'll have any problems this time.
Okay, then. So, I'll make the dinner early today, so we can eat together as a family.
That's perfect, my love. I'll be here on time, then have a good day and tell Justine I love him.
Yeah, okay, I'll tell him you love him. He must be sleeping right now. I'll wake him up.
Oh, don't wake him up. Let him sleep a little more. He has been studying hard this week.
Okay, well, I'll breakfast now. Have a good day at work, then.
Thank you. Are you okay? I see you a little sad. What happened?
I'm fine. I just tired. I've been cleaning the house all day yesterday.
I see. Okay then. If you need me to buy something, just tell me, okay? Love you.
Sure, I'm tell you if need something take care. Kelly. Yeah, he has already left just now. I don't know what to do now. No, I know what I've seen. I'm totally sure about that. I'm telling you. I saw that message. It was a girl. She was calling him love. I know. I couldn't believe my eyes either, but that's what I saw and it's true. He's been arrived late from work lately. He has been saying a lot of excuses. Last time it was the car which had broken down and then the day before yesterday the same. And yesterday he also arrived late, because he had a meeting with his boss. But that's not true. How do you know that? He never had meetings at that time before. Of course, he's lying. I think I'm going to ask for a divorce. It really hurts and breaks my heart, but that's the best option. Yeah, the problem is Jenny. He's just 6 years old, he won't understand now. But I'm sure that with the time, he will understand everything. I don't want to be with a cheater. Yeah, I will talk to him today when he arrives from work. I hope to be strong enough to do that. No, I will tell him to talk downstairs, so Jenny can hear us, that's right. Yeah, okay, I'll call you later to tell you how it went, okay? I love you, my friend. Remember, this is for your sake. You don't deserve that kind of person in your life. Calm down, Kelly. You need to be strong to do this. He can't see you crying like this. I need to do this. No matter how hard it is. I have to tell him. Everything faces to face. It's almost 7 p.m. and he hasn't arrived yet. He said he will arrive on time today. But I suppose he's with his lover right now. I can't do things anymore. I need to tell him.
Hello honey, I'm back. There was too much traffic today. That's why I'm late. Sorry. What happened? Are you okay? Why are you crying? Did anything happen? Look, I know I arrived a little late, but it was the traffic. I'm really sorry about that.
Shut up, please. We need to talk. But let's not do it here. Let's go to the basement.
I don't know what happened here, but okay, let's go downstairs. Okay, we're in the basement now. Tell me what happened? You're starting to worry me.
Seriously? So, you really don't have any idea what is going on here?
No, that's why I'm asking you to tell me. Did anything happen? Please tell me now.
Oh, Do not be a hypocrite. Where have you been these last 2 hours? Traffic?
Of course, I told you I was stuck in traffic. It is not the first time it happens.
No, it's not the first time. But why don't you tell me the truth for the first time in your life?
What are you say? Did I lie to you? How could that be possible? Tell me.
You left your cell phone on the bed last time, while you were taking a shower in the morning.
Yeah, so what? Is there anything wrong about leaving my cell phone on the bed?
No, but you always take it with you to the bathroom, and now I know why you used to do that.
Yeah, because I like to listen to music while I'm taking a shower. What's the matter with that?
Well, I thought so, but now I know it wasn't as I thought it was. It's disappointing.
Okay, you need to be more specific here. What is happening, Kelly?
I saw that message. The message your lover sent you. You didn't notice I had seen that.
What? What are you talking about? Lover? What are you saying?
It was a message saying, "Have a good night, my love." And it was a girl. I saw her picture.
My love. Oh, now I got it. Ha ha ha. Seriously, Kelly?
Why are you laughing? You didn't need to lie. You should have told me you didn't love me.
What are you talking about? I love you so much. You're the love of my life, Kelly.
Yeah, right. And that's why you were cheating on me? Why, Justin? Why?
Cheating on you? Ha ha ha. I would never do that to you, Kelly. Stop saying that.
Stop saying that. And also stop laughing at me. It makes me get angrier.
Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry for laughing. But I think you misunderstood that.
What? The message? How could that be possible? I'm sure about what I've seen.
The message exists, but it was from my mom. And she just put any picture as profile.
Do not lie to me. I have your mom's number and it wasn't that. It was your lover.
You didn't have it because she's changed her number. Look, take my cell phone and check.
It really was you, Mom. Now I look stupid.
Oh, don't say that. But next time, just tell me when you see something like that, okay?
You're right. I'm really sorry. Justin. I love you so much, I'm sorry.
I love you too, honey. And I never lie or cheat on you. I love you.